What's up, Pyros? Welcome to another cake demo from the Vermont Pyro Boys. Tonight we are doing Henry from the Great American Fireworks Company Founders Series. It is a 350 gram cake with 12 shots. Hopefully I've been hovering here long enough for you to read the description on your own. Named for Mr. Patrick Henry, great founding father of our great country. And each of these cakes has a quote from the person that the cake is dedicated to right on the side. And I really wanted to read this one because, you know what? It's an election year and people start getting ugly with one another. And I really wanted to share this because this is what our country is based on, and it's something we're starting to lose. Patrick Henry, real founding father of America, said, "United we stand, divided we fall. Let us not split into factions which must destroy that union upon which our existence hangs." Man, those are words for the days we live in right now. So, I don't know. I hope you all feel patriotic, and I hope you all love the 4th of July, and you love this country, and I hope you all understand that part of what makes this country great is our ability to get along with each other. Something people need to learn a little bit more. So anyway, this is the Founder Series. Patrick Henry, 12 shots. Let's check it out and check it out.
Pretty big. Oh, I can feel the ground shaking.
All right, I hope you guys liked that. We're going to take a look at it in slow motion, just like we usually do. Before I run that video with the descriptions typed at the bottom, I'm going to put a shot of the label up one more time, just so you can get a final look at what you might be looking for at your local fireworks store. Here it is from the Great American Fireworks Company, one more time, Patrick Henry.
Pretty big. Oh, I can feel the ground shaking.